Looking for a student accommodation that feels like a vacation? Say hello to 4th Street Commons in Miami and experience resort vibes in style. Choose from cozy 2- and 4-bedroom en-suites and unlock a fully equipped kitchen, fashioned with granite countertops, stainless steel appliances, and ample storage. Chase academic success with the computer desk in your room and ace your assignments with high-speed Wi-Fi. Want to catch a break? Chill at the resort-style swimming pool or build strength and muscle at the 24-hour fitness center. Debrief about your day with friends at the resident lounge to catch up. There's even a place for your wheels in the private parking. Also, unlock ultimate hassle-free living guaranteed with all utility bills included here. Placed in a prime location, you are just minutes from Southwest 107 Avenue and Southwest 14th Street subway station, making your commute to the University of Miami and Miami-Dade College super simple and quick. So, secure your spot at 4th Street Commons in Miami via amberstudent.com today.